Welcome back. Stay focused, take some notes, and let's go.
To start the calculations, you only click here. But before that, I'd like to show you around this set calculation. So this standard and only room one, because our project has room one. In general, this is used in complex projects because instead of running the calculation for the whole project, you run it for only one floor or only one room. You run it for the thing that you have in your screen. It can be a story, it can be one building, etc. So if I move here, it's gonna change to only story one. I'll go back here, it will be story one. If I go here to building one, it will be building one. It depends on what is displayed on your screen. So now that my project has only one room and that it won't take that much time to be calculated, I will keep it standard. You can also run the calculations for the direct light only, without objects and furniture, only calculation surfaces, simplify lighting for objects and furniture. But in my project, I don't need all of that, so I will just run the standard calculations. Calculation is done. I can see the results. On here, they are displayed to the right. But the first thing that strikes me, or like that comes to my eyes, is that actually this lighting is bluish, even though I have chosen luminaires with warm white. So I will go to display options. I will go to the white balance here. I will make it manual, and without even playing with this scale, the lighting is warm and good. So I'll go back to result overview. This surface here, this table to the left, we have 526. This one to the right, 1046. This one is a bit more powerful. As for this kind of corridor that we have called it a corridor, but we're still in the bedroom, 237, which is good too. Then as for the surface, we have 111. As for the working plane, it's 289. All of these results are good, but one recommendation in this case is all the luminaires should be dimmable so the occupants would adjust them accordingly. If you're not happy about the results, you can change the luminaires or their position until you get the results you are looking for.
Great job! Keep learning, and I will see you in the next video.